Microsoft Excel is the foundation of all modern business environments. Corporations consistently utilize Excel for data management, building complex charts and formulas for data analysis and visualization. While Quickbase has provided a more versatile experience for admins and end users alike, there are many essential business processes that still require the help of Excel. If you struggle with hours spent pasting information from Quickbase into Excel, or maybe you're having a tough time keeping consistent formatting across different departments in your organization, or it could be that you simply desire that one special spreadsheet you've had for years, then Excel Docs is the tool for you. Excel Docs provides a way for Quickbase users to seamlessly create one or many custom spreadsheets using data directly from any of their Quickbase tables. By the end of this video, you'll have an idea of exactly what this looks like in action. But before we get into that, just a quick intro into us. We're Juice Technologies, and we've been helping Quickbase users like yourself get more value out of their applications for the better part of 20 years. We provide add-ons, plugins, and professional services that extend the native capabilities of Quickbase, supporting you every step of the way. One final disclaimer before we get started, we did use our Excel Docs setup wizard to automatically add all fields, tables, and buttons into this application you're about to see in this video, thus eliminating the need to manually set any of them up yourself. What you're seeing here now is a project table with many expense sheet child records. What we're going to do is we're going to take these 5 fields from the master table, as well as all of their related child records, and paste them onto one Excel document. So before we get into that, the core of every single document generation add-on is the template. So let's view that expense sheet template here. You may notice that we have project name, project number, and project location, with cell value B6, B7, B8, as well as we have from and to, which is our start and end dates, which we have K6 and K7. Then for our data table, you'll notice that we have across row 12 identified A through K, all of these columns. Now what we're going to end up doing is using something called the Excel Docs configurator, which is going to give us the power to map all of these fields from the Quickbase table to that Excel document. So we make this super simple for you guys. So we have project name, project number, project location, with the cell position B6, B7, B8. We also have start and end date at K6 and K7. And then if I navigate over to my data table, you'll also notice our cell list, or our C list here, being A12, B12, C12, D12, and so on. So just to refer back, A12 through H12 through K12, all the way down the line, we identify right within this configurator here. So we make it super simple for you guys to map this, as well as query what information you want to bring back. We'll get into that in a later date. But now let's go ahead and generate all of this information onto that spreadsheet. So we're going to click Generate Expense Sheet, Excel. Now we do of course have the ability to generate this as a PDF if you don't want your end users to be able to edit what is being generated for them. But if you want the ability to run some advanced formulas or make manipulations with your data, the Excel version probably will be for you. So here we go. We generated that expense sheet. We're going to open up this Excel file. And you'll notice here that we brought in all of that information from the child record, as well as all the information from the master record. So here are my many childs. Each row is an individual child record. So let's just pop back to that for a second so you guys can see that. We have Dana Wilkinson, where you can see all of their information there, pasted right onto here. Now you may notice, well, Matt, where are the formulas? So if I hit enable editing, all of these formulas fill out right in front of your eyes. And now you have this whole subtable filled in with all of the formulas, as you may notice in the top, already identified. You will also notice that these values match one-to-one to what's found right within Quickbase. So 3195, 3195, and so on. So that's a very simple rudimentary one-on-one expense sheet. We believe that if you have any use case for Excel Docs, that will be able to help you along the way to success. And keep in mind that no matter the use case, Excel Docs is capable of doing much, much more than what you just saw here. So if you have any questions and you want to learn more or go through your specific use case with us, please reach out to support@juicedtech.com and we'd be more than happy to review your document with you. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to talk to you soon.